Hi, welcome back to My Planet B. On today's video, we're doing the base prep for our future workshop build. So after the initial clearing, we've got the area laid out, and here we are basically knocking down the high spots just to make it roughly level. Once we were happy, we just went over with our water level just to see if it was acceptable. We marked out the floor structure. It'll be 3.5 times 5.5 meters or 11 by 18 feet. We are going to use these old tires as footings for the structure, and we will have one in every point. We'll now lay them out and mark them. Here they are laid out, and once they are buried, they'll have a breeze block on top where the floor structure will rest. So we finally got to the fun part of digging. We started with the one closest to a tree stump where the probability of roots could determine how deep we could bury the tire, and constantly checking for level as you go along. So in this hole we're still within the tree stump radius, so we did find a small root that required the use of power tools, but we've managed. And yeah, just in case you forget, check for level. So we now have 7 more to go. We're not going to bore you with that. This is not a how-to video, this is how we've done it. Let us know what you think down in the comments. On the next video, we will be filling the tires with gravel and checking for level. Follow our journey and please hit the like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, thanks for watching.